Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi. We are back with another install. You guys read by the title. We are getting into this cute little side part that we are about to do from this unit from Alipearl hair. If you guys seen before when I showed you guys everything that came inside of the box and I, explained everything and all that, this unit is pre-curl like you guys seen, but we are going to be doing a cute side part, so we don't really have that much to do, which is very, very great. What I'm going to do today is just a glueless install. These are both extremely good sprays and they hold really, really good, so we're going to be using those because I just haven't been feeling lace glue. But I am going to put some makeup on this cap so that everything can blend, and I've already put the makeup on the lace as you guys seen. I just love the fact that this is already curled. Like, we don't really have a lot to do. Like, we literally don't have a lot to do. Y'all see this? Y'all can tell that this was pre-plucked the right way. A lot of units be like pre-plucked and they do not be looking like this. This is pre-plucked. What I'm gonna do is cut all up in here, but I'm gonna stop right here. I'm gonna cut here and I'm gonna cut here off, and I'm gonna stop right here because I still have more to cut, so I don't want to cut too much off of there. I'm just gonna cut off this way so I can spray that down, and then we'll deal with this in a minute. But do y'all see how stretchy this lace is? Stretchy lace always ensures that your unit is about to be laid to the gods, literally. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few layers so that it can have something to stick on. Okay, you guys, so I'm going in and I am spraying a couple layers. I think I did about 3 layers and I instantly regretted doing a spray adhesive. Well, not regretted doing the spray adhesive. I instantly regretted not laying it down as soon as I put the lace on, not putting my melt band on. Y'all, sometimes I be rushing, or sometimes I be wanting to get done, or I be wanting to see the finished product so fast. I be like, hold on, you need to slow down. Like, if I would have just put my melt band on, I would not have this issue that you guys are about to see. What you guys are about to see, the little ripple in the middle, kind of where my middle part is. I wouldn't have had the issue if I would have just wrapped it down right away instead of just, blow drying it and going about my day. But we all have, some mishaps. So I did, fix it the best way I could, which you guys are going to see. But instead of laying it down with my melt band, which you need to do, I went ahead and started doing that part because I was just so excited about this deep side part. And I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb and getting this part together, especially because this hair is already pre-curled. I was like, yeah, I don't really have to do too much. I could just hurry up and get the part together. I could have been doing that with it melting down. So just make sure you put your melt band on, especially when you are working with a spray adhesive, because it is really looser than lace glue. But I am going down and getting that as melted as possible. But what I would recommend is that you just make sure everything is laid down, because as you guys can see, everything wasn't fully laid down. Like, I was still having some melting to do when I really should have just went ahead and melted it and then went back and did my baby hairs.
disability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me. I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be.
But today I am doing some dramatic baby hairs for this look, and I really love the way they came out. So I am just, you know, plucking and getting everything how it's supposed to be so that we can go ahead and do these baby hairs.
Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Frontline, Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, Seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Frontline, Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Frontline, Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, Seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Frontline, Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace.
Okay, y'all, so I pretty much have it how I want it. I did want to lay it down a little bit more to get rid of this little lump in the front, but I'm gonna get ready for real and then come back. But for the most part, everything looks good. Like over here, I feel like I don't even really need to do nothing for real. It's just I want to get my part over here to go more in my face, or like curve more to like that.
mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be or couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Five, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pity party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning over.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the tutorial on how the hair came out. I feel like it came out super duper cute, and I just want to hurry up so I can take some pictures. But y'all, like, I love the way this came out. The only thing I really didn't like on my part is this little front piece. And y'all already know, like I said before, if you guys want all the information for this unit, make sure you guys click that link down below and shop Alipearl hair. And we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. Gel babies, we out.
Keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside.